topic polynomials. That is the third chapter in our textbook. So in that also we are learning about the first exercise 3.1 exercise. In that see that first question. So in p of x is equal to 5x to the power 7 minus 6x to the power 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is the first question? Coefficient of x to the power 5. And second question is degree of p of x. And third question is constant term. Here one polynomial is given that should be represented with the p of x. P of x means a polynomial which has in the terms of x. And here we have three questions. In the first question, coefficient of x to the power 5. So coefficient of x to the power 5. So first write down the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x to the power 7 minus 6x to the power 5 plus 7x minus 6 is a given polynomial. In that coefficient of x to the power 5 means second term is x to the power 5 term. Here coefficient means nothing but a multiple number with that x to the power 5. So which number is multiple with that x to the power 5? Minus 6. So coefficient of x to the power 5 is minus 6. Here whatever the symbol may be, you write down that symbol only. If we have plus symbol here, simply you keep it as 6 plus 6. Here we are having the minus symbol, so that we are representing with the minus 6. Simply coefficient of x to the power 5 is minus 6. Next go to the second question. Degree of p of x. P of x is a polynomial which is in terms of x degree. Degree means highest power of x is called the degree of the polynomial. So in that polynomial, which term has the highest power? First term has the highest power, that is 7. So degree of the polynomial is 7. Okay. If you see the remaining terms, this is 5. This is nothing but x means power 1. Here no x terms means that x to the power 0. So 7 only the highest number. So highest power. So the degree is 7. Next go to the third question. Constant term. Constant means which term is not having the x terms, x variables, the terms are called constant terms. Here in 5x to the power 7 we are having the x variable. Here minus 6x to the power 5 also we are having the x variable. Here also x is there. No x means here only minus 6 is given without x. So that constant term is minus 6. So here we have answered the three questions. Coefficient of x to the power 5 is minus 6 and the degree of the polynomial is highest power of x, that is 7, and constant term is minus 6. Okay, go for next question, third question, that is if p of t is equal to t cube minus 1, find the value of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2 and the p of minus 2. So here see the polynomial. What polynomial is given? P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. Means here we can see the polynomial in terms of t. Okay, variable t we can see that. In previous problem we have seen that p of x is equal to some polynomials in terms of x. Suppose if I write a polynomial in terms of y square minus 2y plus 1, like this I can write. Means here p of y represents a polynomial in terms of y. Here p of t is equal to t cube minus 1 is given in terms of t, that polynomial. We need to find out the first problem, p of 1. Means here we can observe that in the place of t we can see that 1. Means substitute 1 in the place of t. Here t cube minus 1 is a polynomial. In the place of t substitute 1. Remaining terms write down as it is. Power is same. That 3 write down as it is. Minus 1 also write down as it is. Only in the place of t variable, you write that given value 1. 1 cube value. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. We have to multiply that 1 3 times minus 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Totally that value is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So that therefore we can say that P of 1 value is 0. P of 1 value is 0. Next we have that P of minus 1. P of minus 1. Same thing, I am substituting that minus 1 value in the place of t. So that minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube. That means minus 1 we should multiply 3 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Again minus 1 we have in the polynomial. So first multiply that minus symbols. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. Write the minus symbol and multiply the numbers now. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Totally minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. 2 minus symbols are there. Add it and write the answer. 2 minus symbols are there. Add that. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 numbers are having minus symbol. So that value is minus 2. So that P of minus 1 is equal to minus 2. That value. Here next value also same as this. P of 0 also we can find like this only. And P of 2 also we can write like this only. We can find like this only. Another problem, last problem I am explaining, P of minus 2. So, P of minus 2. Minus 2, in the place of t I am substituting minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube. That means minus 2 we have to multiply 3 times. That is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Again minus 1 we have in the polynomial, write down as it is. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. Now multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 we got the answer. Minus 1 write down as it is. Here we have 2 minus symbols. Add the 2 numbers. 8 plus 1. How much? 9. And 2 numbers having the minus symbol only. So put the minus symbol. So therefore P of minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Okay. So in this process, in this model, we can do substitution problems. Means if P of 1, whatever the value may be, suppose P of 100 is given. Substitute in this polynomial and we can find the value like this.